AT&T Internet Air Review, a 5G home internet alternative. AT&T Internet Air is a 5G-based home internet service designed to offer a simple, wireless alternative to traditional broadband. Running on AT&T's 5G network, it delivers download speeds of 90 to 300 megabits per second and upload speeds of 8 to 30 megabits per second. For $60 a month, or $47 with an eligible AT&T mobile plan, it includes free equipment, no contracts, no overage fees, and no price hikes after 12 months. Setup is quick and user-friendly. Plug in the included All-Fi router and connect. It's ideal for rural users or those without access to cable or fiber. However, speeds may fluctuate with network congestion, and AT&T may throttle heavy users temporarily. Pros include simple setup, fair pricing, and wide potential reach. The downside? Inconsistent performance under heavy loads and limited availability. Still, for light to moderate users, AT&T Internet Air is a solid, low-commitment internet solution, especially in underserved areas.